Why does the Treasury issue bonds at all? Why don't they just say, oh, we want to spend $6 trillion this year and we only have $3 trillion in tax receipts? Why don't they just print up either, literally or electronically the equivalent of $3 trillion new dollars and just spend those into the economy? And then there's no debt, no interest payment. Why don't they do that? Wouldn't that achieve the objectives of the spending without the pain of rising interest costs? And then people couldn't be freaking out about the debt loads. Well, the obvious answer is if they did that, then that would cause consumer price inflation. If just every year on net, the deficit, meaning how much the government wanted to spend minus how much they took in tax receipts, if they finance that not by borrowing the money from the public sector, the private sector, I meant to say the public, but instead just by turning to the printing press and creating the new money, well, then that would be a massive influx year after year of boatloads of new money. But probably more relevant, once people saw that that's how the game was going to be played now, they would update their expectations and people would realize, whoa, I don't want to hold US dollars anymore or US dollar denominated assets. And so there would be a flight to get rid of it. And that would immediately cause a crash in the dollar.